Welcome to JH. Today, we'll explore how to resolve issues when Vimeo isn't functioning correctly. Whether you're preparing a presentation, watching a must-see project, or just catching up on content, it is incredibly frustrating when the platform fails to cooperate. Let's walk through some straightforward troubleshooting methods to get everything back on track. Start by verifying your internet connection, as a weak or unstable signal is often the culprit when videos won't load. To test this, try opening other websites like Google or YouTube. If those sites also struggle, your network is likely the problem. In these cases, try switching your connection. For example, move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if performance improves. Additionally, a quick router restart can refresh the connection and resolve underlying network issues. Once your internet is stable, the next step is to refresh the Vimeo page. If that doesn't help, close and reopen your browser or the Vimeo app to clear any glitches. You might also consider restarting your entire device to shut down background processes that could be interfering with the stream. If problems persist, try using an incognito or private window. This allows you to bypass browser extensions and offers a fresh session without cached data. In Chrome, open an incognito window by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N. For Firefox or Edge, the private mode shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+P. This clean slate approach helps identify if specific settings are affecting performance. Next, check Vimeo's official server status page. Sometimes the fault lies with their systems rather than your device. If there is a widespread outage, you will need to wait for their technical team to resolve it. Finally, if none of these steps work, visit help.vimeo.com to contact their support team for specific technical assistance. These steps should help you get back to your videos quickly. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.